Welcome to Build a Brand's How-Tos with Amanda Ryan. Now, I know some of you have a Facebook page and you use it for branding purposes. And this is why I want to take a minute of your time today to show you there has been a change in the way you post on your Facebook page. Now, you typically would be on your page, click to do a status update, and as you can tell, the format is completely different than what it used to be. There used to be a little box down here that allowed you to share now or schedule or save draft. That has disappeared. The reason being is because your page now is allowed to have a story. This may sound familiar to you because your profile has stories that you might be already using. Now your page has the same thing. It's something you post, like a status update, for 24 hours as it will last, and it's public. So you can choose that as an option. So that means you can have it go in the newsfeed as well as in your page's story, or you can choose to just have it in your page's story or just have it in your newsfeed. So it gives you a lot more options and it provides your status update or story more visibility. Now, you're probably wondering, well, where did that button go? How do I share my posts at a future date? How do I schedule? That has moved to here. So it's very small, but it's basically under the newsfeed, it says post options. And once you click on that, you can see that you can choose boost post and share now, or from the drop down, you can choose to schedule, backdate, or save draft. And if you schedule, for instance, it takes you through the same steps. Change the date, the time for when you want that post to go out in the future, hit schedule, and just like that, your post is now in its lineup. Now, before you do anything, meaning writing a status update or adding a video or photo, the first thing I highly recommend you do is to choose who you want to post as. And you'll see why here in a minute. Now, you can see here it's default posting as the page. In this example, it's Build a Brand. But if I were to go ahead and want to post as myself, Amanda Ryan, I need to go and choose my profile. And to do that, I click on this little arrow and I choose from my list my profile, Amanda Ryan. And now when I want to go and write a status update, it has drastically changed. You can see here that I have been stripped of a lot of options, and if I had already prepared my status update and added my video, all of it would have disappeared if that was the last thing I chose to do, was to choose who to post as. So choose that first. And you can see once again, as I go back to the page, how different and drastic that is in the change. So I go here to click and all of that has returned, but my post would be completely gone. And we don't want that. We want you to make sure that you save your time and your time is well spent. So again, choose who you want to post as and then create your status update. Choose what you want to have. Do you want to have it in the newsfeed, your page's story, or both? And you go have the post options. Do you want to share it now, later, save it as a draft? All of that is here under the newsfeed, under the post options link. And that's what's new. If you have any questions or recommendations of what you would like for us to cover, feel free to reach out to me, Amanda. I am a director of social branding here at Build a Brand, and you can reach me, Amanda, at buildabrand.com. Thank you for your time today.